My name is Cindy Zabuza Njagazi. I'm the Chief Director responsible for curriculum in the province of KwaZulu-Natal. Today we are closing up a session where we had subject advisors for foundation phase, second managers of all the province coming from all the districts. We started the program on Monday, where we have seen now almost 12 districts coming up with the second managers, the subject advisors, teacher development, and the ITOs that are coming from those districts. So we have segmented them into 3 sessions, with each session having 4 districts. So today we are coming to the end of this program, that we want to look closely at reading program for the province. So we started earlier on with the subject advisors, where we had to look at the program that is run by VVOB in the province, as well as the program for reading also that is run by LCT in support for the vision of the Department of Education, especially in reading in the foundation phase. We are targeting the isiZulu as a subject to say how can we assist our teachers in teaching isiZulu. We have identified that as a huge challenge because our learners are not performing at the required level. And when you look at Vision 2030, we are only left now with 4 years coming to that. So we are saying, if we want to be successful as a province, we need to have collaboration amongst ourselves first, but also collaborate with our stakeholders. So what we have done at the level of the province, we have come up with an integrated program of reading, where now we are saying all our teachers in the foundation phase are going to onboard themselves in the learning program that is online for VVOB. And in doing that, we have now put in place the reading plans, starting from the province, the provincial reading plan, the district reading plans, and we are now ensuring that all schools, each one of our schools, have reading plans. So that for the implementation of those reading plans, we are actually working now with the subject advisors together with the second managers in ensuring that we build capacity as well to the second managers to understand when they are monitoring, what is it that they will have to look at. Also, we are going to onboard all our teachers, all our SMTs, as well as the second managers, because the subject advisors have already completed the course. So with that, we want to say as a province, we want to have a very concrete reading program that is going to yield the results. What we are interested in is to see the impact of what is happening at the level of the classroom. So our focus is on learner attainment, learning outcomes, to say our learners must be able to read with understanding, but before they read with understanding, what is it that teachers need to do at the level of the class, starting from grade R, where we talk about phonemic awareness, in grade 1, where we said these are phonics that needs to be taught in grade 1, these are phonics that needs to be taught in grade 2, how learners can be able to develop words, how learners can be able to develop sentences, how learners can be able to develop paragraphs. So it's a process, but that process needs all of us to be on board in assisting our teachers, to support our SMTs at the level of the school, to support our second managers, so that everybody actually understands. That was the vision of this gathering.